Hello everyone, this is Chioma. Welcome to my channel and the review video of Pocket Profits. Pocket Profits was put together by Philip Johansson and Dan Can, and it's actually an Instagram secret algorithm that obtains tons of followers, leads, and also sales. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details. I will also show you a demo of how this product works. But do not forget to click down below on the bell icon for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button as well. And as usual guys, I've added some of my awesome bonuses. There will be an added advantage to this package. All you need to do to have access to my bonuses is to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page right here, and then you have this awesome bonuses that I've added today. All right, without further ado guys, let me take you to the sales page. Let's see how the sales page looks like. So once this is actually the sales page guys, and Philip and Dan are saying today that it is a secret explosive system that pulls in $453 per day on autopilot in 60 seconds flat from scratch for real. And right here are the features of this app. It says extremely beginner friendly, backed by real Instamaster, all-in-one solution, unlimited buyer traffic, no further investments, takes just seconds, and then you of course you have 30-day money back guarantee. So guys, he is saying that you will be refunded within 30 days if you do not like this product after purchase. All right, now I have shown you the features and I have shown you what they have promised with regards to this product. Now let me quickly take you guys to the steps that you need to deploy to get this product up and running. This is actually Philip right here, one of the guys that put together this product. Now guys, here are the steps that you need to deploy. The first one, of course, you have to activate it, and by activation, of course, you purchase the product and then you log in to be able to activate. And then the second step will be for you to connect the free buyer traffic method just by copy and pasting exactly what they will show you. And then of course the third step will be you collect collect leads and sales. And guys, now I have shown you the 3 steps. Let's see the bonuses that they have added. So the first bonus that they have added here is the direct access to Instamaster. And then the second bonus is free training on how they made $43,000 in 7 days. $43,000 in 7 days. And then the third bonus is free high ticket training. And then the fourth one is unfair advantage in business and life custom training. And finally, the fifth bonus that they have added is the instant approval to promote Pocket Profits. Now guys, I've shown you the bonuses that they have added. Let me show you the ones that I have added, the ones that I shall be sharing with you guys today. So the first one, of course, is access to Jonas award-winning YouTube ads course. The second bonus that I've added is access to Nova and all the upsells, and this applies to those that are purchasing within the first 12 hours. And then the second one is build your buyers list using while profiting, guys. So of course with this software, the Pocket Profits, you obtain tons of followers, you obtain leads, and then what again will you need? You need lists. So this bonus that I've added here will help you build your buyers list. Is a hack that teaches you how to go about that. And then the fourth bonus that I've added is the content curation hack, guys. And then of course the fifth one, you have access to all vendor bonuses. Like I said earlier, my bonuses today the bonuses that I've added today, guys, they are loaded, and goes pretty much very well with this app that Philip and Dan are selling to you guys today. Now, let's see the prices and the upsells. So about the front end is $12.95, and then the upsell one, which is 10 times traffic hack, is worth $27. The upsell two, which is the done for you, is $37. And they done for you, like just as the name implies, pretty much everything will be done for you. And then the upsell 3, which is 10K per month automation, so the campaigns and everything will be automated. And then the fourth upsell, which is the reseller rights, so you get commission selling a pocket profit as your own. And then the fifth upsell is 10K buyers in 24 hours. So you get to find out how Philip and Co were able to make $10,000 in 24 hours. And then the upsell 6, which is hands off, is $97. So with the hands off, Philip will give you his exact source as to how he basically let his Instagram run on autopilot. And then the upsell 7, which is 152K views in 48 seconds. That is worth $67. So the upgrade shows how Philip uses one piece of content and duplicates it 3 times to give him a 30 times more result in less than 60 seconds. Yeah. So you guys have seen what these guys are saying about this product, but the good thing though is that if you purchase it and you didn't get to see the benefits or the features that I mentioned, guys, you'll be refunded, no questions asked. So that is what these guys are promising, that you have 30-day money back guarantee. All right, now I have shown you the sales page, I have shown you the bonuses. Let's see how the members area look like. So guys, once you purchase this product, you log in, and remember, like I said, to purchase, guys, click on the link that is in the description box below, guys, to be able to have access to all the bonuses that I've added. Then if you log in from here on the right hand side, top right hand side is where you log in and out. Of course, you see this is the members area, like I'm showing you. This is the welcome. Underneath it, you see congrats, and then 43K in 7 days. Welcome by Dan. And then the important one, it says very important before we begin, the things you need to know and things you need to do. And then the main training is the overview, profits. You create Instagram account, logo for your account, and all that. Okay, let's take a listen to what Philip has to say, guys.
Philip Johansson here, and I want to welcome you to this 100% proven product. Guys, I'm super excited on your behalf, and I'm super excited that you took action and actually trusted us in investing in this product. Guys, I'm gonna show you undenying proof that this works even if you're completely new. No emails, no audience, no followers, no paid advertising, no showing your face on camera. And I'm gonna show you proof that this works within hours, even if you're starting from scratch, guys. Guys, I know this for sure because I tested it out before we created a product around it. So you can rest assured that these products from me and my partner Dan is 100% proven and will always work. We have always tested them for you before we are giving them to you. So guys, I'm super excited on your behalf. Before we begin, let me just explain real quick who I am. My name is Philip Johansson. I'm from Denmark.
So guys, that's an intro from Philip, one of the guys that put together this app. And then about the upgrades, if you click on it, of course it opens up, and then depending on which package that you got, all this stuff will be open depending on the package that you are purchasing. And right here at the top here is where you can, is clickable actually. So from here you can upgrade. This is the 10 times traffic. This is the done for you money makers. And this is the 10K per month automation, reseller rights, and then 10K buyers. So guys, pretty much that is it from me. I've shown you guys everything from the sales page to the features, the bonuses, and then remember guys, you have 30-day money back guarantee. That is, if what they have said about the product isn't what it is, you can be refunded, no questions asked. And again guys, to be able to have access to my bonuses, all you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you right here to my sales page guys, and then you have all these bonuses that I've mentioned for yourself. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. Thank you for liking and sharing my videos. Thank you guys for those of you that are purchasing through my link. I appreciate that. And guys, you stay safe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.